In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail. Complete Beginner's Guide. Start by searching for Gmail in your browser, then sign up and create your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll land in your inbox, where we'll walk through the essential features so you can send, organize, and find emails with confidence. At the very top is the search box. Use it to quickly find messages by sender, subject, or date. It's the fastest way to recall a specific conversation without scrolling. To write a new message, click Compose. In the To field, type your recipient's email. If others should see the message, click CC to add them. Use BCC to hide recipients from one another, which helps protect privacy and prevents reply all clutter. Add a clear subject so the purpose of your email is obvious, then write your message in the body. You can attach files if needed. Click Send to deliver it immediately. If timing matters, open the arrow next to Send and choose Schedule Send, then pick date and time, set the date and time, and confirm. That message will appear in your scheduled folder until it goes out. On the left sidebar, Inbox shows new mail. You can star messages to mark them for quick follow-up, and snooze a message so it leaves the inbox and returns at a time you choose. Gmail may mark some messages as important based on your habits. Sent holds messages you've sent, Scheduled shows what's queued, and Drafts stores unfinished emails. The Purchases view groups, order confirmations, and shipping updates. Click More to reveal additional sections like Spam and Trash. Labels act like flexible tags. You can create and color-code them, and a single email can have multiple labels. All Mail shows everything except Spam and Trash. To keep things tidy, use Report Spam or unsubscribe on unwanted mail. Trash keeps deleted items for 30 days. The Subscriptions view helps you review and unsubscribe. Manage Labels lets you organize which labels show and how they behave. Use the 3 horizontal lines in the top left to toggle the navigation panel. Mail shows your emails. Chat lets you message teammates or create group chats, and you can start a new meeting to launch or join a Google Meet. Open the Settings cog to customize your view and choose a theme. Click See All Settings for more options. Change language, adjust the Undo Send window, and remember to save changes at the bottom. Create a professional signature with Create New, name it, and format it as you like. The 9-dot app launcher opens Google Apps that work with Gmail. From your profile menu, add another account or manage your Google account to update your info, change your profile picture, and add recovery details. On the right sidebar, use Calendar to schedule, Keep for notes, Contacts to manage people, and the plus icon to install add-ons, free or paid. That's your complete beginner's tour. Practice a few sends, star what matters, and you'll be flying through Gmail in no time.